chefettes, we jumping right into these ingredients to make these delicious homemade
meatballs.
Yes, you heard that right. We're making homemade meatballs, and it's gonna be quick, simple, and easy. All right, so make sure you are hitting that like button, staying with us, get something cozy, because I'm gonna show you, right, Chef Trini? We're gonna show you what you're gonna need to make this meal. All right, so you're gonna need, of course, you're gonna need ground meat, guys. So you're gonna need ground meat, some salt and black pepper. You're gonna need some breadcrumb, some ground garlic. We have some onion. This is onion. Eggs. We have green pepper. We have sour cream. We have parsley, and we have ketchup. This is all you're gonna need.
Don't forget the ground beef.
I said that was first.
Listen, come here. Shut your stupid ass.
Okay. So that's all you're gonna need to make this meal. So stay tuned. So we're gonna show you what to do.
Chefs and chefettes, Chef Sam told you guys the ingredients. Now we're on to the next step. We about to combine all the ingredients into our ground beef. So pay attention. I'm adding the garlic. I'm adding the green peppers. I'm adding the parsley. The onions. Can you guys see?
We can see. We grated the onions.
Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm adding the ketchup. Yes, I said ketchup. You have to put some ketchup in there. Not everybody puts ketchup in the ground beef, but we do. If you want your meatballs to taste like ours, put some ketchup. We're adding the sour cream. Gonna put some salt.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Add some pepper.
Yeah, it helps bring out the flavor. What was that? What was that? Oh God.
We're gonna put an egg. You don't have to put an egg. Not everybody likes eggs. Eggs are optional, chefs and chefettes. You don't have to put an egg, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna put an egg.
Wow. They're bringing out
Damn, I got a shell in there. Don't you just hate when a shell breaks and just fucks everything up?
Nah, I'm a professional, so that don't happen to me.
You know what they're flicking at you. Guys, eggs are in there. And last but not least, your breadcrumbs. We're using panko breadcrumbs, which are Japanese breadcrumbs. You can use regular breadcrumbs if that's what you have. It doesn't matter. And you're gonna gradually put your breadcrumbs in there and mix it up because you want it to get all up in there. So I'm gonna put a little at a time, mix it up, guys. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix up the entire mixture of ground beef. And then we're gonna boil them up into little balls. So stay tuned for the next
Chef and
step.
Chefettes, Chef Trini went ahead. He threw all the ingredients into the ground beef and he mixed it together. He marinated that thing, so it's gonna have
Yeah,
good
I put my elbow into that shit.
He did. So now I'm going to mold it into meatballs. All right, you can make the meatballs as big as you like. We're not gonna make it too big. I'll say like an inch maybe.
Yeah, an inch sounds good.
Yep. So you're just gonna mold it like this. If you have the scooper for ice cream, you can also use a scooper for ice cream and scoop each one out. Look how cute that is. So we're gonna do all that. Hopefully this makes about 20. I say it will. What do you think, Chef Trini?
You better.
All right, so we're going to mold all these meatballs. Let me just show you one more. Adorable, right? So we're gonna do all that and then we're gonna put it in the oven. Our oven is currently preheating at 350 and we're gonna bake these for about 20 minutes and then we're gonna show you what it's looking like. All right, Chef and Chefettes, look at our meatballs. We mixed them, all the ingredients together. Chef Trini did that. I molded them up into these beautiful masterpieces right there. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna show you the finished product. So stay tuned.
Alright, chefs and chefs, our meatballs are ready to come out the oven. Guys, we cooked ours a little longer. We did 350 at 45 minutes. I know we told you 30 minutes, but we wanted it a little extra golden brown just to make it the outside a little crispy. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, guys. You ready?
I'm ready. Come on, let's go, let's go. I'm so excited.
Ain't nobody asked you why.
Come on.
Why? Woo.
Whoa.
Guys, look at our homemade meatballs.
Look at
They
that.
look so... Woo.
That was yours.
Woo.
That was
Woo.
yours. That was
Woo.
yours. That was
Woo.
yours. That was yours.
Oh my God,
Stop touching all them, man.
I'm touching every single
God.
one.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket. What do you gain from that?
Guys, they
Look at
feel
that.
perfect.
Tell them. Tell them. Tell them.
Guys, they feel perfect. The outside is nice and firm, ready to devour. So guys, cook your meatballs on 350 for about 45 minutes and they're gonna look like this. Guys, I hope you liked our recipe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's it.
And
Make our meatballs
Oh, yeah.
and we are out.